Hello all! Today we are with our last but not the least product update in 2022, and it is URL Explorer. Right now you are capable to visualize all possible information by each URL. Everything about on-page SEO at this URL. The bot's behavior at this URL, bot's performance at this URL, keywords performance, everything about interlinking, and a lot of interesting more. Let's dive deeper. So, when you are in data table, any data table having your URLs, you are having URL Explorer here. And also you have actually this line in any report of JetOctopus where you can just paste any URL and start the process here. But I will go from this place. So we have some URLs and we would like to analyze and we would like to use URL Explorer. So we just push. And what we are getting? We have the entire information by this URL. URL overview, everything about on page, keywords performance, logs, internal links, custom extraction. Let's start with URL overview. So we are here analyzing the on-page SEO settings. So where the URL was found, if there are problems in terms of on-page SEO, and you see the name of the problem and all the pages at this website which have this problem already filtered for you. So you just click and you will be referred to the list of these URLs. You see all the problems. Then title, what is the title, and how many of the pages are duplicated with this title. Then meta description, the same, how many of them are duplicated. H1 and no H2 on this page. Then the page is indexable, it is follow, canonical URL, it is canonical page, then the status code, loading time, page size. Then JavaScript errors, if there are any, they will be described here. Then the page resources problems again. The links, internal links pointing to the page, how many of them, how many of the pages referring. Then links on the page, total, internal, external, links to 404 pages, which is also to be reviewed, links to redirects, and if it was found in sitemap. Then you have here get details on internal linking by this URL. And you are transferred to internal links section. Here you have the profound information about internal linking on this page. So the total links, total pages pointing to this page, no follow links, text links, image links, then all in links from indexable pages, also all the detailed information. In links anchors there will be. Then directories pointing to this page. Then pages depths pointing to this page. Also very interesting breakdown. And you see that there are a lot of pages which are just orphaned. And this is the issue to be analyzed and optimized here. So what we are having in keywords performance, I just love this section. We are capable to pick up any period, by the way. Then the device, if you want the mobile or the desktop or all. And then you are getting top keywords performance by impressions, by clicks, by positions, by CTR, which keywords were top performing. Then summary in terms of impressions compared to the previous period of time, in terms of clicks with the dynamics, average position with the dynamics, and CTR. Then dynamics by devices in terms of impressions, mobile, desktop, clicks, average position, and CTR. And then you are getting the top 15 keywords performance by impressions, by clicks, by CTR, average position. And here is the query. Very insightful, isn't it? Let's go to the logs. Beautiful sun, isn't it? So here you are capable to pick up any period you are interested in. Then you are capable to pick up any search bot, either Googlebot search, Bing, Baidu, Googlebot desktop, Googlebot mobile, etc. And visualize the Googlebot behavior at this URL. So you see the dynamics of it over a given period of time. Then you see the dynamics of load time this search bot was getting by this URL. And we see that there are different situations. So sometimes it was up to half a second, everything is good. Sometimes it was slower. So the Google search bot got from half a second to 1 second load time. Sometimes it was even critically slow. So sometimes we have like 2 times this URL was visited by Googlebot and it took more than 2 seconds to load this URL. So it is interesting to investigate and to optimize the load time of this URL because it is not stable, as you see. Then the dynamics of status codes. Here everything is okay, everything is stable, 200 status code. So internal links, we already visited this section, and custom extraction in case you've set it custom extraction on a crawl stage and you've got this additional information, you will get insights on custom extraction at this URL. So I want to remind you that right now you are having this option on each section of JetOctopus, and you can just insert any URL and start the URL inspection, URL Explorer inspection right away from any section of JetOctopus. So I hope you find this product update thrilling as we do. We think that this option leverages any SEO audit many times and gives you opportunity to get all the information possible by each URL. Thank you for your attention and have a great Christmas. Bye-bye.